Okay, here's how we're going to change the decibels on a linear scale in Audacity. Um, so I have here a 2-second tone that doesn't change at all in intensity. And the first thing I want to do is just make the display a little bit bigger. So I'm going to grab it on the bottom here and hold the mouse button down so it's as big as we can get it so we can see all the values on the y-axis here. The next thing we're going to do is change the y-axis to decibels. Right now it's in waveform saturation, and right now we need to change it right here to decibels. So now on the y-axis we have decibels. The loudest it gets is 0 dB, and then everything is measured down in dB from there. So now we're at a point where we can click on this envelope tool right up here, and we're going to make 2 points, one at the very beginning and one at the very end, and we can just move them up and down. So it changes into 2 little arrows here, and I'm going to make a point, and then I can just drag the whole, since we only have 1 point, everything changes. So let's say we want to make a sound that changes 20 dB. We're going to bring this right down here to -20, and then we're going to go down here and we're going to make another point and make sure it goes all the way to the end, and we can bring this all the way back up to 0 dB, and now we have a sound that changes 20 dB. It goes from -20 dB up to 0 dB. Save that, and then you can just reverse it to make one that does the receding stuff, and change the value down here every time you want to make something different. So to make one that goes 10 dB, just go to here, 5 dB, etc. I don't know if we went to 35 or 30 or whatever, but just change the value, match it up as close as you can on the axis values, and that's pretty much it.